to my channel, Twins U.s.a.
Our 21st president was, and he served from 1881 through 1885. He was born in Vermont on October 5th, 1829, and died on November 18th, 1886. He was a Republican and known as a gentleman boss. His wife's name was Ellen.
Do you know he changed his pants several times a day? He owned 80 pairs of pants caught on several parts of the coast Rhode Island.
22nd and 24th president was,
Grover Cleveland.
and he served from 1885 through 1889 and from 1893 through 1897. He was born in New Jersey on March 18, 1837, and died on June 24, 1908. He was a Democratic and known as Big Steve. His wife's name was Frances.
Did you know he was the first and only president to get married in the White House?
23rd president was,
Benjamin Harrison.
and he served in 1889 through 1893. He was born in Ohio on August 20, 1833, and died on March 13, 1901. He was a Republican and known as the Front Porch Campaigner. His wife's name was Caroline.
Did you know he was the son of the ninth President William Henry Harrison? Harrison was the first president to use electricity in the White House.
Our 25th president was,
William McKinley.
and he served from 1897 through 1901. He was born in Ohio and born on January 29, 1843, and died on September 14, 1901. He was a Republican and known as the Napoleon of the Protection. His wife's name was Ida.
Did you know McKinley was the president who used camping buttons?
26th president was,
Theodore Roosevelt.
and he served from 1901 through 1909. He was born in New York on October 27, 1858, and died on January 6, 1919. He was a Republican and known as Teddy the Lion. His wife's name was Edith.
Did you know the teddy bear was named after the president because he refused to shoot a small bear cub one day? Yeah, the first president to travel outside the country was white in office. Please like and share.